I am a practicing internal medicine physician in Creve Coeur. I did my medical school training and my residency at Washington University and remain on staff there as a voluntary faculty member. As you might remember, there was a terrible shortage of protective gear for New York hospital workers, and later as the epidemic spread across the country in different regions. I noted that the Chinese workers were wearing a special kind of equipment, and I sought to get it and donate it to a local hospital, but I was unable to because you couldn't buy it and it was on back order. I decided to research how to build one of these devices so that I could donate 10 to a local healthcare system. I did some research and found a whole community of people who were willing to help me make this idea become a reality. We are now manufacturing these and donating them to local hospitals. Most people, when they think of personal protective equipment, think of devices like a mask. What this is, powered air purifying respirator, is a system that takes ambient air and filters it using a motor. The filter is much more effective at removing particles of virus and bacteria, and the air blows into a hood, protecting the mouth, eyes, nose, and also providing a positive pressure system so you can't get leaks. And it also means you could communicate with the patients and family members more readily because you can hear them and they can hear you. It's one of the great tragedies of this pandemic, besides the terrible loss of life, is that most of those people who die alone, which is a terrible tragedy and a loss for their family. It's a loss for the person who dies. And it's incredibly stressful for healthcare workers to be the sole emotional support for the patient and the family. So to be able to have the family members come and be a comfort to the person with this severe respiratory illness is a comfort not just for the patient and the family, but for the staff too, to know that that person is getting the love and attention from the people that are important to them. It's nice to live in a community where people care for each other, see the value of each other, and seek to help each other. So it was very heartwarming.